I wanted to do a short video on how to use the contour option in Cricut Design Space. This allows you to remove parts of an image or a project. I'll start with something I've added. I'm just going to add that to the canvas. This is going on a card, so I'm going to make it about 9 centimeters wide. What I wanted was a background for that, an offset. So I'm going to offset. That is way bigger than I wanted. I just wanted something that was close to it. Oops, not that close. I could put a size in there, but that's about what I want. So I'm going to click apply. Now let me just change the color so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see that there are cutouts in the black, the background, and I didn't want that. I just wanted a whole background. So what I'm going to do is select the background, and using the contour button, which is on the bottom right hand side of your layers panel. Now there are two options in here. You can click on an area and it will not cut, or you can select it over here in where all the pieces are. So these are all the cut lines, so I can just simply go cut, 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 or I can hide all contours and just select the actual outline. So when I go back in there now, you can see that there are no cutouts in there. It's just one piece, which is the look I was looking for this particular project. That was very simple. I'm just going to delete that for a minute. You can also do that with images. So I'm just going into images. I'm just going to put in insert cards, and I think I might change the project type to cards as well, just to get us where we want to be. So let's select a card. We'll go with this one. Add it to canvas. Now this is grouped, so I'm going to ungroup it and hide the piece behind that panel and also the envelope, and there's a score line there, so I will hide that as well. So I'm left, at the moment, I can see this particular panel. Now it's attached because it has a score line in there as well. So I'm just going to select the cut panel. To use the contour, you can only select one layer. I can leave it attached if I want to, but I can only select one layer. Whoops. So if you click somewhere else, you lose it. I'm going into contour. Now, what the contour shows you, and you can adjust the percentage it's enlarged or made smaller. You can, again, as I said, either click there or use the, whoops, just going to go down a bit in this so I can see it. Whoops, I don't think I want to go that small. Let's go up a bit. Leave it at about 100%. Okay. So I'm just going to click on the corners. And close. It looks like there's still a corner there. Oh, I clicked on the whole outer edge. So let's just go back in there and turn that one back on. That might be better. And the corners are gone. There's no corners there. It's as simple as that, as removing them. There are other ways you can do it, but nothing as simple as this. You can also use it to remove part of a design. So let's just, we've still got it selected, so we'll go back into contour. If I wanted to remove some or all of those hearts, I just have to click on them. I'm just going to take out those 4 tiny ones in there and close it again, and you can see that those little hearts are gone. So if you wanted to take out all the little hearts and just have the bigger ones, you can do that. If you want to take out the letters, any part of the design that you want to remove, you can do simply by selecting contour and then selecting the item you want to leave. So if I didn't want his hat for some reason, there you go. Obviously that's not something you would do because you do want his hat, but if you didn't want all the letters, if you wanted to put another letter in there, you could. So there are various things you can remove, and if you want to save the design as it is, and at a later time go in and do it differently, so next time you do want the corners, you can simply go back in and select them again. Better put gnome back in there as well, I guess. I'm not sure what corners I've done and what corners I haven't done. Oh, I've got it. Didn't get the O in the gnome, so let's just go back in there and get that. There we go. So it's back to what it was, and I have all the pieces. It's a simple process, but it gives you great possibilities when you only want part of a pattern. So if you just wanted the gnomes but not the hearts, you could take out all the hearts. This is applicable to any design, whether you create it or whether it's something you download from Cricut Access. I hope you have fun with it, and it makes it much simpler to do those projects that you want to tweak to your liking.